The Acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Samuel Odewumi, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 127th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo, to be delivered by Professor Nsikan Senam, Professor of Media Law, Ethics and Strategic Communication, Department of Strategic Communication, Faculty of Communication and Media Studies. A distinguished scholar, lawyer, broadcast journalist, and sports analyst, Professor Senam is an alumnus of the University of Uyo and the Nigerian Law School. A veteran newscaster and program producer at AKBC, he combines law, media, and scholarship with excellence. Author of acclaimed works including mass media law and ethics, he has published over 74 scholarly articles, 6 textbooks, and 8 book chapters. He serves as head of department, governing council member, and senior legal practitioner. A Christian, an elder, and a devoted family man, happily married to Philomena, and blessed with 4 wonderful children. To God be the glory. Join us as Professor Nsikan Senam delivers the 127th Inaugural Lecture titled Professionalism. Thursday, February 19th, 2026, 3 p.m, 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Signed, Mrs. Blossom Akori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Be our guest.
For generations to come.